chef.
Traveling chef.
Yeah, nuts. Cheers.
Traveling chef. Traveling chef. Traveling chef.
What? So we come back after, that's what you're saying? Look. We come back after this, we finish all the ingredient part, the preparation, right? So now I'm gonna go to the second part, but we watch the commercials first, we'll be back pretty quick, alright? Open top.
It's better this way. Yummy, look at this. I can't wait to try this. It's so good looking, Augustin. That is amazing. At least we know you like it.
I do it what I cook and it's amazing, bellissimo, bellissimo. And this is also framed on the superfood because there's quinoa here. If it contains quinoa, means it's superfood, it's very nutritious, very good for your it's younger, brighter, healthier, happier, everything. So we have this technique that we marinate the chicken with the quinoa so it gets all this covering, you know, it's pretty cool. It's revolutionary. Your next lifetime breathtaking, mouth-watering experience, alright?
Thank you. Alright, everybody. Next time with the traveling chef. 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 Traveling chef.